Picture this. You're walking around a used car lot at dusk, and sitting right there is a pristine, cleanly detailed Nissan Altima. The price tag is surprisingly low, the paint is absolutely shining, and you're thinking to yourself, this is it. I found my perfect daily driver. It's incredibly tempting, isn't it? But what if I told you that quiet, comfortable-looking sedan is hiding a secret that could completely derail your finances?
Think about it for a second. What if a great deal on the lot ends up costing you $5,000 in the mechanic shop? Imagine signing the papers, feeling super smart about your savings, only to get hit with a catastrophic repair bill before the odometer even rolls over 100,000 miles. It's a sudden, savings-wiping reality that catches thousands of normal, careful buyers completely off guard every single year.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap. 1. The hidden trap. 2. The CVT Nightmare. 3. Oil and hidden costs. 4. Our essential buyer checklist. And 5. Safer alternatives. Let's get started.
Section 1. The hidden trap. Let's look at why the Altima is so incredibly appealing in the first place.
On paper, and during that quick 15-minute test drive in everyday traffic, your expectation is met perfectly. It looks good, offers a surprisingly solid ride, gives you great fuel economy, and has a very low price. But the reality? That smooth test drive is masking a hidden $5,000 repair, an average transmission failure hitting right around 87,000 miles, and hidden engine leaks the dealership might have literally just washed away before you got there. You're buying the expectation, but you end up paying for the reality.
Section 2. The CVT Nightmare. This is where we move from the bright showroom floor to the mechanic's bay for a bit of an autopsy.
2013 to 2018. If you're looking at a used Nissan Altima from these specific model years, the 5th generation, you are stepping into a very risky zone. I want you to just let that range sink in for a second. 2013 to 2018. This specific window is where the highest concentration of mechanical heartbreak lives for this vehicle.
And this brilliantly illustrates the crux of the problem. 87,000 miles. For most modern cars, 87,000 miles means it's barely broken in, right? It should have years of life left. But for the 2013 to 2018 Altima, this is the exact average mileage when the continuously variable transmission, or CVT, typically fails completely. It doesn't just need a quick software update or a tune-up, the entire unit gives out.
When that transmission fails, you aren't looking at a cheap or easy fix. You are looking at an exorbitant replacement cost of $4,800 to $5,500. Just take a quiet moment and imagine your mechanic handing you that invoice. For a lot of careful buyers, that repair cost is actually more than the remaining value of the loan they took out to buy the car in the first place. It is a massive financial blow.
Now, what's really interesting here is that these aren't entirely silent killers. The car will talk to you if you know how to listen. During a test drive, you have to pay close attention to physical symptoms. Feel for any shuddering, especially when you're accelerating between 20 and 40 miles per hour. Listen carefully for high-pitched, whining noises coming from under the floorboards. Watch for delayed engagement, meaning you shift from park to drive, and there's a noticeable hesitation before the car actually wants to pull forward. And of course, keep an eagle eye out for any overheating dashboard warnings. If you feel or see any of these, it's a huge red flag.
Part of why this happens so frequently comes down to the lifetime fluid myth. For years, there was this notion pushed by the manufacturer that the transmission fluid never needed replacing, just lifetime fluid. But trusting this specific maintenance myth is exactly what leads directly to that massive transmission failure. The harsh reality is that the CVT fluid in these cars absolutely must be changed every 25,000 miles to keep the internal belts and pulleys from shredding each other to pieces.
Section 3. Oil and hidden costs. Let's look at the engine bay.
We really need to talk about the 2.5-liter engine found in the 2002 to 2018 models. These engines have a notorious gradual trap. They can literally burn a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. And because it happens so slowly, week by week, a lot of buyers completely miss it until it's too late. The only clues you'll find early on are dangerously low dipstick levels when you check it yourself, or maybe a faint puff of blue exhaust smoke when you first start the car. It just silently starves the engine of the lubrication it desperately needs.
And the result of that severe oil starvation? The damage usually falls right on the piston rings or the valve seals. Fixing those internal engine components requires basically rebuilding the whole engine, which is going to run you another $4,500 to $6,000. So if you were unlucky enough to buy a model with a failing CVT and worn piston rings, your repair costs would essentially equal buying a second car altogether.
Let's move to this and see how it builds, because the numbers get terrifying fast. You have the engine rebuild at over $5,200, the CVT repair averaging around $5,150, but then we have other hidden costs compounding the issue. The catalytic converters on these vehicles aren't just prone to failure, they're prime targets for theft, costing around $2,200 to replace. Add in electrical glitches and ADAS, that's Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, sensor failures in the later models, and these hidden costs stack up remarkably fast. Your supposedly cheap used car quickly morphs into an absolute financial nightmare.
Section 4. Essential Buyer Checklist. Service records matter.
So the crucial point is that you have the power to diagnose this before you sign anything. Here is your concrete, step-by-step checklist to take with you. First, on the test drive, turn the radio completely off and listen closely for any shudder or high-pitched whine. Second, pop the hood, pull the dipstick to check the oil levels, and watch the tailpipe for blue smoke upon startup. Third, and this is highly specific, ask an independent mechanic to get a CVT fluid analysis. And fourth, demand a full pre-purchase inspection. Never, ever skip this step. If the seller won't let a mechanic look at it, just walk away immediately.
Section 5. Safer alternatives. Let's find you a safer option.
Let's guide you to a safe harbor here. If you really love the look, the feel, and the utility of the Altima, there are alternative options that won't ruin your savings. When we compare our choices, the 2013 to 2018 fifth generation is the one fraught with danger. However, Nissan did make significant improvements. The 2020 to 2023 generation models are showing much, much better reliability data across the board. They have updated transmission designs and better quality control, making them a significantly safer choice for everyday buyers.
The verdict here is pretty straightforward. For 2013 to 2018, the risk is very high. Avoid it entirely unless you are purchasing a comprehensive extended warranty. For 2020 to 2023, the risk drops to moderate, meaning you should still inspect it carefully. But look closely at that bottom row. For any used Altima, sitting at a desk and reviewing the maintenance service history is absolutely mandatory. You need documented proof that the fluids were actually changed on a strict schedule.
I really want this quote to stick in your mind. Price hides the real cost. Don't buy without protection. It's a strong, definitive rule. If you find a 2015 Altima for a price that feels too good to be true, and you absolutely must buy it, you have to demand and purchase an extended warranty that specifically covers the transmission and the engine. Do not assume you're going to be the lucky one who dodges the bullet.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one quiet, provocative thought. Is saving a little bit of money up front truly worth a $5,000 nightmare down the road? Take a moment to really rethink what a cheap used car actually costs you over time. Protect your money, do your inspections, and make a highly informed decision. Thank you so much